1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hi, children. I thought I would show you something very special today. We've been working with these units, and today I'm going to introduce you to the colorful units. First, let's review what we already know, okay? This is our friend Hero 0, and we have a numeral that goes with it, 0. But there's no number. There's nothing here. And that's what it means. There is no number, just the numeral. And then we have 1, and these are all the numerals, and these are the numbers. Here's number 1, here's 1, 2, here's 1, 2, 3. I think I'm going to do 4. So let me do 4. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, what a mess. But you can see it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then here's 5. Let me see. There's such a little, I don't know, they just don't want to line up very well. Look at how messy that is. So here we have 1, here we have 1, 2, here we have 1, 2, 3, and here we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one we're doing right now is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back, I'm going to show you the colorful units that go with this. Hi, look, I've showed you these beautiful colored units. These are still units. They're not 10s. They're all trying to grow up to be a 10, but they're not. So this is 1, the numeral 1, all the way to the numeral 5. This is 2. Look how nice and tidy it is. 2. How about 3? Can you see that there are 3 here? Sure. 1, 2, 3. And how about 4 here? 1, 2, 3, 4, just like this numeral. And 5. So I don't have to always get these little units out because they like to do their own thing and not line up in nice little lines like this does. Come back, we're going to finish. Bye. Hi, children. So we're going on learning about the colorful units that we can use instead of these, but we can also use these too. Even though they're colorful, they're still units because they haven't grown up to be a 10. So today we're doing 6. Remember about this little pedestal so you know it's not a 9. So this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look at, they're all kind of like messed up. And here's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Watch this right over here. I have 6. It's purple. I hope you can see that it's still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll hold it closer and I'm going to put it right here. Nice, huh? And this one is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sometimes people call it beige. It's kind of like the color of sand. It's quite pretty. So this is 7. And I gather these all up. And I gather these all up. And I can show you they're the same. So this 6 fits right on top of that. Or just like this, you can see it's 6. And the 7 fits right on top of the 7 little units. And you can see it's the same. Come back. We're going to do the last few numbers and numerals. Bye. Hi. So we're finishing up on the study of colorful units and the green units. So I've laid out the numerals 8 and 9. And here you can see that I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here's one more than 8 called 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A little messy, but I think you can count them easily. I'm going to show you the colorful units now that go with those numbers. So this is 8. Can you see? I put white lines between all the little units that are now attached and have turned into a chocolate colored 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 8 when I want to get them all together. It's kind of like I don't know. Have you ever seen any geese or ducks? They're just running all over the place. This is an 8 all gathered up. And here's 9. 9 is a particularly nice name. It's not so much the name, it's the color. Sometimes we call it aqua, which is kind of like light blue and light green. But the funny thing about the word aqua is it means, do you know? Water. It's kind of like the color of some water in various parts of the world. I'm not sure so around wherever you live, but aqua is another way of saying water. And aqua is the color of 9. So here's the 8 and here's the 9. Come back because there's something special that's going to happen after we add 1 more to 9. We're going to turn into, the units are going to turn into a new kind of number. Don't miss it. Bye. Hi, children. I'm just going to play with you a little before we move on. I've made a pyramid. So I've made 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I've stacked them all up. The interesting thing about this pyramid is if I shift it a little, you can clearly see that each number, as we go to the bottom, is bigger than the number standing on top. This is so nice. I love this. So this is 1. This is 3, which is 1 bigger than 2. This is 4, which is 1 bigger than 3. How about 5? How much bigger is 5 than 4? Sure, 1. How about 6? 1 bigger than 5. How about 7? 1 bigger than 6. How about 8? 1 bigger than 7. How about 9? 1 bigger than 8. Hi, children. So I promised you that I would show you something special after we finish counting to 9, using the green units, having the numerals, and then we saw together the colorful units. After you count from 0 to 9, something special happens when you add another unit. So here's 1, 2, oops, let me turn them over so you can see them more clearly. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When I add 1 more, who knows what it turns into? What comes after 9 when you're counting? Some of you might be this old. 10? Yeah. Well, here's the colorful 9. And now I've turned these 10 units into a new kind of number. A 10. A 10. And the way we write 10 is exactly what it looks like. We have 1 bar of 10 and no units. We could actually call on our little hero 0 if we wanted to. And we could say, it's 10. There's nothing there. Look, there's nothing here. But there is something when you write the numeral. Hero 0 is there. So you have 1 10 and no units. Congratulations.